name is Cory Mueller, and I'm a meteorologist at the National Weather Service in Nashville. Today, we're going to talk about winter storms. A winter storm forms in a similar way to a thunderstorm. For a winter storm to develop, you actually need similar ingredients as a thunderstorm. First, you need moisture, which is important for the development of clouds and precipitation. And you also need instability, which just means that our air is accelerating upwards. The difference between a winter storm and a thunderstorm, though, is cold air. When we have below freezing temperatures, which means temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, at the surface and higher up in the atmosphere, our precipitation can fall as snow, sleet, or even freezing rain. For a snowflake to develop, temperatures within a cloud have to be very cold. If these temperatures are cold enough, then once water vapor condenses back into water droplets, it freezes into ice crystals. These ice crystals stick together as they fall towards the ground and develop into snowflakes. If all of the air between the cloud and the ground stays below freezing, then the snowflake will stay frozen and fall to the ground as snow. A special type of winter storm is called a blizzard, which is when strong winds cause blowing snow conditions. Blizzards are actually defined by the strength of these winds and not by the amount of snow they bring. Blizzards can create dangerous conditions because they result in poor visibility. If our air between the cloud and the ground does not consistently stay below freezing, then different types of wintry precipitation can develop. Sleet forms when snowflakes, falling from the cloud towards the ground, first passes through a layer of air that is above freezing. This causes the snowflake to partially melt. Then these partially melted snowflakes go back into the layer of air that is below freezing, which causes them to refreeze into pellets of ice. Freezing rain develops in a similar way, in that a snowflake falling from a cloud towards the ground falls through a layer of warmer air, which causes the snowflake to melt. However, this time, there is only a very shallow layer of freezing air near the surface. This shallow layer does not give the raindrop enough time to refreeze into an ice pellet like sleet. Instead, once it makes contact with the surface, it freezes upon contact with the surface. Winter storms can pose many dangers due to cold temperatures, snow, ice, or wind. If conditions are favorable for winter storms, meteorologists at the National Weather Service will issue winter storm watches or winter storm warnings. A winter storm watch means that conditions are possible for a winter storm, and you should start making preparations in case it does happen. A winter storm warning means that it is highly likely that a winter storm will impact your area, and now you should be taking action to protect yourself. We hope you enjoyed this educational video on winter storms. Thank you for joining us.